What's up, sneaker fam? It's the Maverick, and we're back with another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Today we'll be unboxing the Air Jordan 5 Low Miami Hurricanes.
How you cracking on my denims, bitch, these Calabasas. Mouth gold from the boot, not from Tallahassee. Phone really put up numbers like Orlando Magic. It ain't Zai if it ain't smelling through the plastic. Boy, how dare you call my phone if you ain't speaking paper?
It comes in a regular black Jordan box. Nothing special. The size tag reads football gray and brilliant orange. This is what the paper looked like that it's wrapped in. Got like the little red Jordan Jumpman on it, and then like some, looks like little raindrops, lines or something. What it look like. As you can see, it's a all white, orange, and green shoe. Got the orange and green right here. Got it on the bottom too. Got Jordan at the bottom. Then you got orange on the sock lining, and then you have like green inside the shoe. Then I didn't notice this before, but they got like raindrops on it. Like those 4s that came out a while ago. The purple and white 4s. Got raindrops on it. I think they cute. They really cute. I would definitely get these. Some people calling these the FAMU 5s, Miami Hurricanes. I like the colors. I don't like the raindrops, to be honest. They could have left it out. Like, it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. I don't really like that. But I do like the colors. I'm not a big fan of low 5s, but these I would definitely cop. Even though it got the raindrops, I still would get them. But I definitely think they should have left them off. Yeah, they released June 6th. And it's a kids exclusive, so it's only grade school, preschool, toddler. So no men's sizes. I'm sorry to y'all, because this shoe is really hard. But, yeah. Make sure y'all cop June 6th. Grade school, preschool, toddler. They'll be in select retail stores and online. But yeah, this has been another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe. Make sure y'all cop Miami Hurricanes.